Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, give it a thumbs up, and then also click on the bell button as well to get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is of an Apple iPhone, the SE, and this is the 2020 version, not the original one. This is, I guess, the second generation. And let's see what comes in the box. So this is the smartphone itself. You can see it's the white color version. I believe it comes in red and in black, if I believe, as well. And this one is very identical to the iPhone 7 as far as the shape and everything goes. And I actually did a comparison between this and the iPhone 7. The dimensions are almost identical. Cameras the same. The only difference is this has a A13 processor. So it's 3 years newer as far as the processor goes compared to the iPhone 7. And then also the storage. This is the 64 gig and the iPhone 7 started at 32 gigs. And it does have the Bluetooth, which is the newer version. And then also the Wi-Fi, which is a newer version compared to the iPhone 7. So let's see what comes in the box. And they give you the USB charger. And I guess a sticker and for the SIM card, and then just a couple of other things, and that's about it. They stopped giving those wall chargers for the newer smartphones for some reason. So let me know what you think about the video. I will be posting a video of how long it takes to fully charge, so look for that. Like I said, click on the bell button to get notified for that. And thank you very much.